How y'all doing, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Damian Stone. I'm a manager at Elder Ford. I just want to show you this 2012 Manager Special Ford Flex. That's the 2012 Manager Special Ford Flex. This is an SCL, so it has the leather. You have the third row. Look at that storage space in there. This is good stuff. This was actually a demo that was driven by Mrs. Elder herself. So this is a beautiful 2012 black Ford Flex. I'm going to show you with the camera in my hand. I'm going to show you how easy it is to look at that power lift gate. That is just phenomenal. That's good stuff right there, brother. All right, now I'm going to show you how easy it is to drop this seat down. You drop that down like that. You pull that right there, and look at that. You got a flat floorboard in the matter of seconds. This one does it as well. The passenger seat actually folds down too. That is pretty awesome. Gives you extra storage space. A lot of good stuff going on. Let me go inside. I'm going to show you a couple of bells and whistles they got on the inside. The universal garage door opener. Everybody needs that. You don't want to carry around the garage door opener anymore. Now, this has your controls on your steering wheel for your radio controls as well as your sync system. Your cruise control is over here. This has the CD player, has the heated seats. You got the rear controls, climate controls for the people in the back. You have the dual passenger air as well. Information that's going to tell you everything. Now, this is already wired up for HD radio. If that's something that's important to you, this has the sync system as well. You have your sync system. You can plug in your iPod, your MP3 players, all the stuff that you're going to want, need, or desire. This is a 2012 Manager Special. 2012 Manager Special Demo Ford Flex. Look at this price. Now, this is insanity. This was $36,370. You can buy it for $30,798. That is awesome. Look at that. Amazing. How do we do it? I don't know. Just come on in, take advantage. My name is Damian Stone. I'm a manager at Elder Ford. You can call me at 813-438-9984. 813-438-9984. Did I mention there was a Sony stereo system in this thing? That's phenomenal. That's absolutely amazing. God bless America. My name is Damian Stone. Elder Ford, 813-321-1234. Come on in. One of my guys will help you out. We'll give you a good deal.